Well, I woke up early morning, naturally, and not that I had to go to the shelter, to the bomb shelter, but I heard that the American actually bombed 3 places in Iran, and we've been told not to Bokato to the world. We've been told not to go to work, to stay next to the house. We knew that something like that will happen, and we got now a message that soon missiles will reach Israel, and people are entering to our building shelter, mainly because it's a very safe one, and it's quite a big one, and consider the people are walking to find themselves the shelter. Lots of people weren't outside, mainly because we knew that something like that can happen. And we're staying outside just to wait for the siren, and then they will enter the shelter. We expected something like that. It was obvious that the Iranian regime will do that, and it did it, as you can see. But this time it's different. This time we realized that Mr. Trump didn't take his 2 weeks, and everything was kind of a scam. He knew that he's going to bomb at the weekend. I didn't know it. Everyone here, I talked with them, they actually slept well. We didn't enter to the bomb shelter. I just answered so many comments from mostly Muslims who hate Israel so much and realized that we won again. I will pray for them at Jerusalem. When? I'm not sure that I know. I uploaded a video about Jerusalem this time, and the Jerusalem war, and it's a huge success. Then if you didn't watch it, this is the time for you to watch it. Sunday, you can do that. I'm still waiting for the Siren, which will be quite soon. The good thing is from Iran that we do have at least 10 minutes to find a shelter. Then in 10 minutes you can do a lot. A lot of the people are going to the new bomb shelters beneath the shopping malls. And this is actually it was a great idea to go to take a video of it. I did one, but I heard that they prepared it in a better way. They brought tents that people will be able to sleep there, food, and playgrounds for children. And we are waiting together. That video I will upload today. Usually I'm not uploading it at the same day because, all right, it is. The missiles are on the way. And they are going to close the door. Then I'll do that quickly before they will do that. They already did? No. Boker Tov, good morning. To the word, I will explain you soon.
אוקיי, מי יתעורר עכשיו?
You can hear that we're getting the siren. We are going to be here until we will get the message from the government that we can go out. Look at the people, most of them are young. Lots of booms now. You missed it. Oh. תזכרי את המוזיקה, זה מפריע לה. What we hear it's that it's from they're targeting most of Israel now. I don't know with how many missiles, but what you heard now is the Iron Dome in the center of Israel. But as you can see, the people are quite relaxed. Jerusalem, the Negev, every place in Israel is now target. Siren again here, it means that it's not over. But still, the people of Israel are calm. And we became kind of friends because I didn't know them. They are not from the same building, but they became part of my family. Oh, another boom. You can hear the places that are announced as target. This is Ashdod, a city south of Tel Aviv. Lod. קריית אונו.